Essential teaching skills are the abilities we expect of all teachers, regardless of grade level or topic being taught. They include positive attitudes, effective organization, clear communication, lesson focus, informative feedback, skilled questioning, and review and closure. As you watch the following episode, decide how effectively the teacher demonstrates each of these skills.
Let's go over yesterday. Let's kind of put our heads back to last class period. Colin, think about this. Tell me what a force is. What do you remember when we talked about force? Remember when we were doing all the things with the chairs and the book and all that stuff? Remember what we had a force defined as? What did we have a force defined as? Okay, that was a force. Good, that's one kind of force. But in general, Keandra, what did we have? A push or a pull. A push or a pull. Okay, that's a force. So the things we were talking about, force. If I push on Delonzo's chair, that's a force. If I pull on his chair, that's a force. Remember yesterday when I did this? Was that a force, Shantae? Is it a push or a pull? Am I pushing on that with my wind? Kinda, aren't I? I'm kind of pushing on it with my wind. So that's a force. Just because it moves doesn't mean it's not a force. Because I could do this. Is this a push, William? Yes. Is the wall moving, Ricky? No, but it's still a force, right? Okay. It's not work, right, because we don't have motion. Good, good. Okay. Let's talk about this. Remember yesterday we talked all period and we came up with kind of a rule. Remember we came up with a kind of a rule about how things move when forces get on them? Ooh, Tammy.
It's the direction, the force.
You got it? An object moves.
In the direction of the force.
Of which force? Perfect. Objects move in the direction of the greatest force. So, that means if I have Tally pull on this and I pull on it, if we're both pulling on this and I have the greater force, which direction is the, if I have the greatest force, which direction is the stapler going to go? To my way, because I have the greatest force. Now, if Tally has the greater force, which way is the stapler going to go?
To his way.
To his way. Objects move in the direction of the greatest force. Okay? Just in case, what happens in this situation? Delonzo, grab that. Pull the same as I do. If the forces are equal, what? Okay, they're balanced, but what happens?
It doesn't move.
It doesn't move. Because is there a greater force? No. But if I pull harder, my force is greater and I win. I get the object. Okay? Now, we're going to keep that idea in your mind. Keep that a force is a push or a pull. And also keep in your mind that objects move in the direction of the greatest force.